How to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Word and add clickable links to websites or documents. To create a hyperlink from regular text, select the word or phrase you want to use. Then go to the Insert tab. Click Hyperlink in the Links section and enter or paste the website address into the address field. Click OK, and your text will become a clickable link. You can also create a link to another document on your computer. Select your text, choose Insert, then click Hyperlink. Select Existing File or Web Page. Find the Word document you want to link to, and click OK. For a faster way to insert a hyperlink, select your text and press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. And that's how to create and insert hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.